Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you the benefits of chia seeds water to lose weight. If you want to reap the benefits of chia seeds in their absolute form, try chia seeds water. Chia seeds water offers many health benefits including weight loss. Chia seeds have inched their way into our healthy diets over the recent times. The seeds are packed with many healthful properties that may help boost our overall health and wellness. The seeds come from the mint family Salvia hispanic L and have a sharp black color. The seeds are a powerhouse of protein and contain many other nutrients in a considerable quantity. Many people have made chia seeds a part of their routine diet. With so many health benefits that the seeds have to offer, it is only prudent to consume them frequently. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. That's around 40% of the recommended daily intake. Diets high in fiber have been linked to weight loss. Chia seeds may lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber, protein and omega-3s, they may reduce your risk of heart disease. Rat studies have shown that chia seeds can lower certain risk factors, including triglycerides, inflammation, insulin resistance and belly fat. We often see chia seeds being included in salads, smoothies, milkshakes, ice creams, breakfast cereals, etc. But, if you want to reap the benefits of chia seeds in their absolute form, try chia seeds water. Water along with the goodness of chia seeds can be a great healthy drink that may assist weight loss. Chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds are highly rich in proteins that induce a feeling of satiety and prevent overeating. Chia seeds are also known to boost the metabolism rate of the body. Fiber present in chia seeds helps stabilize blood sugar levels and regulate bowel movements, thus promoting gut health and digestive system. Effective digestion of food means burning of more calories from the foods eaten to produce energy. Chia seeds also contain a good amount of other vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, E vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus and folate. If you are wondering how, here's how you can make chia seeds water easily at home every day. This is the easiest way to consume chia seeds. To make 1 glass of chia seeds water, soak around 1 teaspoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. Let it sit for minimum half an hour, and strain and drink. If you don't like the bland taste of the chia seeds water, you can add natural flavors in the form of lemon juice, orange juice, black pepper or honey. You can also make a bottle full of chia seeds water in the morning and drink it throughout the day. Can I drink chia seeds in water every day? A naturally low-carb and high-fiber food. Chia seeds provide the recommended daily amount of fiber with just 1 serving. For every 1/4 cup of chia seeds, use 1 cup of warm purified water, and stir until they become chewy like a gel. Leave them in the fridge for 20 minutes and you'll be ready to go. According to some people who have done this treatment, the results are impressive and efficient. Do it and share your opinion with us. If you find this video useful, please press like button and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.